So in today's video, I just wanted to do sort of a impressions video, not so much a review, but I will talk about a couple aspects of the kit. The kit is fully painted, so it's the only reason I don't want to call it a review, because it's not straight out of the box like a lot of reviews would be. Here's a quick look of what everything looked like, just snapped together straight out of the box. And here's the work that we did to it. It's an amazing kit, so we'll start with the impressions. I painted everything according to the box art, and as well as the color guide inside of the box. I did take a little bit of a creative liberty with the gray that they used. It's more of like an off-white out of the box, but I thought it looked kind of nice. It's the Tamiya JA gray that I used on it would be the Ludens left arm, as well as the suit on the inside behind the chest. It's kind of hard to tell in this shot here, but it's kind of like on the sides of the hips there. It's Tamiya JA green. It's a really nice color, and it almost matches the light gray off-white that they used, but I kind of wanted to go for something a little bit different to break up just the white and dark gray. The gold bits are all painted. The gold out of the box, obviously, if you've built any kits that use gold, it's not very good. It's not electroplated, it's just kind of that like swirly gold color that's not very nice in my opinion. A lot of the straps do not have any detail on them as well, so that's all detail painted. The chest offers you a ton of detail opportunity, which is something I really like about this kit. In this shot here, I'm just showing off the head accessory. It's I don't know what you would call it. It's like the mohawk thing. It's really nice. It's cool. It's pre-painted, which is nice. Unfortunately, there's no visor or anything like that, like the actual Ludens. But you do get a few different pre-painted face options, as well as like the skull mask, one for holding and one for the kit to wear. The seam lines are kind of creatively handled with this kit. On the back of the leg there, it's almost like a panel line or like a seam of the armor. And then on the white armor sections, it's like curvy, so it kind of looks like it's not, a panel line or a seam line. There's obviously going to be a seam line on the side of the thighs as well, but we went ahead and took care of that with just some Tamiya thin cement. And then you can see some of the detail painting we did on the straps there as well. And then here's just a better shot of all the detail that's possible there in the chest section. There's a ton going on there. There's a lot of detail painting opportunity, and you can make it look really nice with very minimal effort. The overall thoughts on this kit, it's super high quality. It's my first frame arms girl kit, so I don't really have anything to base it off of, but I have built the Evangelion Kuribukiya kits, and there's just something about the plastic that they use. I don't know if it's the molding technology, whatever they use, but it's super high quality. And that's not to say that Bandai isn't high quality, but there's just something about the Kotobukiya kits that kind of makes them stand out. With that being said though, the pieces don't snap together as loosely as I would like them to. It's a very, very tight fit. So if you're gonna be taking stuff apart to paint it, just be very careful with that. But I know this is a limited edition kit, so it might end up being really hard to come by. So if it's something that you're kind of waiting on a review to see if you want it or not, definitely pick it up.